Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing today about AVEVA PDMS cable tray design. We have seen various components of cable tray. Today we are going to see a last component that is called a reducer. Okay, very useful component used for change the cable tray size in your branch. You can have a variable cable tray size depending upon the number of cables which are passing through the cable tray. So once your cable tray branch has started, you cannot change directly the branch size. Okay, so for that what you do is you can just go to create components. Auto connection is on. I'm going in forward direction and I'm adding a reducer there. Okay, and I am saying create a reducer. So in reducer you will find 3-4 options which are available. Okay, with a constant size of the cable tray. Now it will show setting that current bore is 300. So what it will do is it will change size depending upon the bore diameter. Okay, so 300 you will not get in the list because current bore diameter is 300. So you can select what kind of reduction or large cable tray you want. So I am going with 150 for now, and I am selecting the first option, which is 150S. This S stands for straight, so 150 straight. So what it will do is it will just add opening direction, up direction obviously, and it will just add, sorry, I guess I have not selected a branch. I will just delete this reducer. Yeah, I need to select the last component, and yeah, just a second. I will just select a branch, select the last component, and then I will go with create component. Yeah, auto connection is on, and I will go with reducer again with the same setting and say 150 straight. Okay, and say okay. So what it will do is it will add a reducer to the branch which is having 300 diameter at the start and 150 length at the end. This is a straight reducer. So after this, what it will do is if I add a fixed cable tray, it will have a distance of the length is 150 as per the reducer. Okay, now if you want to change reducer not in straight, there are two options with a reducer. So I can just go, sorry, cancel. I can just go to reducer again, create. In 150 you will have two more options, that is 150L and 150R. Okay, now you will not get 150 because now current bore is 150. So I am going for, let's say, 300 again, and there is two options, that is 300L and 300R. That gives you the option of opening towards left or right. So if I am selecting left option and I am saying okay, it will create the reducer. One side will be constant and other side, left side, will have a total distance of 300. Okay, opening of 300, and then you can have a reducer. If you don't want like that, you can just delete that and you can go with the other option, that is create reducer, and you can have 300 and R is the right. So if I go for that, the left side will be constant and right side will have a greater length, so that is 300, which we have just mentioned. Okay, then you can add a fixed tray and you can just close that branch. Say you can just go to connect, branch, tail, and you can say last member, sorry, last member, apply, dismiss. And here what you can see is the starting point is having 300 diameter, 300 specification bore, and then in between I'm changing that with a reducer. That is what why we are using a reducer. And then at the end again we are increasing the diameter, that is 300, and then we are ending with a 300. So this is how you can use reducer in a cable tray to change the cable tray size in between your branch. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. So you can subscribe my channel if you like the content. Do share details of my channel with your friends, those who are trying to learn PDMS online, and also check out various playlists which are available on my channel related to PDMS modules. Okay, thank you for joining.